Hi students. I get a lot of questions about Noodletools, so I thought I'd make a little screencast just to show you, to answer some of your questions. The first thing that you must know is that you must create your account while you are in the school building. Noodletools confirms that you are a student at our school by validating the IP address. Once you have an account and make a username and password, you can use it from home with no problem. So this is how you would make your account in the school building. Go to noodletools.com, then click on Login in the upper right-hand corner. I have to log out of this because they already have me in here. All right. Okay. So this is the screen you get. If you have an account, this is how you sign in right here. But for those of you who don't have an account yet, you go over here to register. Click on register. Then you move to this right-hand side of the screen and answer the questions. I am a student or a library patron, and you click on that. Expected year of graduation, 2020, let's say. Then you would put in the username. I like to tell students to put in the username that they use to get into their computer every day, and the password as well. This way, it's only one thing you have to remember, and it's a unique identifier. So if we say, go down here, this is the way Miss Brady would sign in. Then you give us your initials and the last four digits of your phone number. The reason you give this is because if you should lose your password for some reason, I can retrieve it using this information. Click on register. And now you have a Noodletools account that you can use from home.